Oh, you guys go on unmute. Sorry, go on mute. Okay. The question is all about what are the different tools that we are going to look at during this DevOps training. So Terraform is one of the primary tool for infra creation. So you might have heard about infrastructure as code tool. It is nothing but whatever requirements we have to create infra, that we will just put it in the text file. It is nothing but a .tf file, .terraform file. That we will push it to the repository. Ultimately, we'll create resources in cloud, AWS cloud. So here you could have already understood Git and GitLab is already part of our training. So infrastructure as code that we are writing in Git Bash, and we'll be putting into GitLab account. From there, we'll be using GitLab CI to create resources in AWS cloud. So what are the different tools that we spoke about it right now? Terraform, Git, GitLab, GitLab CI, and AWS. Correct? Any doubts with respect to the infra creation side? Okay, moving on. So when we go to the application development, we'll be using Maven, Gradle, Docker for application build. I mean, basically create a bundle of that particular application and then deliver it to the environment for deployment. So you are already aware that on the left hand side, it is called CI, and the right hand side, it is called a CD, continuous deployment. So here we continuously integrate the code and create a build and then make the build available. And then in the next stage, we deploy it, continuously deploy it and operate and monitor. That's what we do in our CI/CD. The other different tools that we use are Docker, like I said, I mean Docker for creating container-based applications, Kubernetes for orchestration. Orchestration means doing auto scaling, doing high availability, continuously monitoring. All those things can be done using Kubernetes. Basically, using Kubernetes, you can monitor, manage the pods running in the Kubernetes cluster. Apart from that, we'll be also looking at Grafana, Prometheus, and CloudWatch. These monitoring tools. So with respect to release, we'll be just using GitLab CI for our releases, because I mean, we'll be storing all the artifacts. We'll be making use of only GitLab CI for our release process. So any questions on this so far? Anything? Okay. Sure. I'll just give a pause for about a minute, and then I'll start sharing the screen from the other device.